So guys, here's my toy gun collection, and let's dive into it. So everybody, first up we got a cowboy rifle shotgun, along with some shells, but there's already some shells in it. And it also makes a sound. And here's the next one. A rifle. I'm gonna make some parts on this, and it's gonna make this sound. And a rifle, another one. And next, a micro SMG. And also this Zur X-Shot pistol.